Hi everyone, Giuliano here. In this video I'll show you how you can create a live event in Microsoft Stream. But before to jump in, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay tuned with my next videos. Microsoft Stream is the video service available in Microsoft 365 that helps you to improve the communication in your company by sharing videos. With a live event, you can provide a big announcement or you can share the results of the fiscal year to your employees. Another use case is if you want to produce a live event only for the HR department to present a new cool tool. Let's see step by step how to create a live event in Microsoft Stream. Let's go. Here I am on my PC. First off, let's talk about requirements. What you need to have to work with Microsoft Stream. You need to have one of this subscription that you see here in this link, and of course a valid license for the user. Jumping now on office.com, how I can run Microsoft Stream. You have to click on the bottom menu and then you will find Stream. I am ready to run my live event. All I need to do is click here on the Create button and then Live Event. I will land on this page. The first part that I need to fill out is this form. Then we will see the second part that you need to deal with. Okay, in this part you have to provide the name of this live event. Let's type in product drone X, then a description, and in this field you can use hashtags as well. Let's present our product drone X, then a thumbnail. I will pick this one, the language of this video, of this live event. If you want to start this live event in a specific date, then you can use this drop down, or maybe you want to start this live event immediately, and this is exactly my case. So then I will select as soon as Encoder is connected, then now immediately. There is another section here which is permission, and here you have the option here available to allow everyone in your organization to view this video. Or maybe you want to restrict the visibility of this live event to few people or channels or Microsoft 365 group. Let's leave all allow everyone, and then there is the last part which is options, and here you can enable or disable comments and then captions. Captions are auto-generated at the end of the live event when the video will be available on demand. Okay, this first part it's configured correctly. I can click on save, and now we will have this button available, Start Setup. But before to click on it, you have to select the encoder. The encoder basically is the tool that allows you to broadcast your screen, your PowerPoint presentation, or your camera, just to make few examples. Okay, I will use for this demo OBS, which is an open source project and it's totally free. Or maybe you can have a look to other encoder here in the list. There are Haivision, KB Encoder, then there are Switcher Studio, Wirecast, Wirecast S. Also in this case, it's up to you. If you are more familiar with one, then pick the one that it's the right for you. But as I said, I will go with OBS, which is not listed here. Then I will choose configure manually. And all I need to do is click this URL here, because I need to copy this URL, and then I need to reuse this URL in OBS in order to broadcast my camera and my screen. Okay, before to jump in OBS, I want to show you an important toggle button, which is audience view. And this is basically the view of the audience. We are not yet live, we are offline, as you can see from this caption. Okay, it's time to run OBS now, and I'll show you the configuration that you have to perform to go live. Opening OBS, Hi, hello, here I am. I configured two scenes here, scene and desktop, because I want to, in the first scene, I would like to make a presentation, introduction of myself and of the live event. And then I can easily switch on the second scene where I can, for example, share a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, now let me click on settings because I'll show you the configuration that you have to perform in order to go live. In output, in the streaming tab, you have to select the encoder, then the audio track. For the audio track, I used this audio bitrate. And then there are other numbers that you can see here. I found the right balance in terms of performance and quality of the video. So then maybe you can reuse this configuration and change accordingly. Okay, so then another important things to take care is the video, the output. Microsoft Stream support 720p of resolution, so then you have to be aware that you have the right scale here, resolution, and then that's it. So all I need to do now is go on stream and paste the right URL, then apply. Okay, so from an OBS perspective we are ready to go. Okay, we can open again Microsoft Stream. The audience view is enabled, so now I can click on Start Setup, and Microsoft Stream now it's preparing the live event. So now we should see another message that tell me that now Microsoft Stream is ready. I have to attach now the encoder. I have to connect the encoder to Microsoft Stream. Okay, we are ready to connect now. We are in pre-live, as you can see from this caption. And this is exactly the view that the audience has for the moment for this event. Okay, jumping now again on OBS, we can start the streaming. Okay, we are ready. Start streaming. Jumping again on okay, something now is working in the backstage, as you can see from the loading circle here. And now we should see my face, hopefully. Oh yes, we are in pre-live. There is a delay, seconds I would say. As you can see from the loading circle here. So we are in pre-live, so then this means that the audience is watching only the thumbnail here. Okay, let's say that we are ready to go live. We can start the event. Then I'll copy this URL of this event, and then switching from another perspective here, I am connected as Ligu. I'm able to see the live event. Okay, let's say that we are ready to go live. We can start the event. Then let me mute the live event. And so we are ready to go. So now I am ready to switch on the second scene. I can run a PowerPoint presentation that I have here. Let me run this presentation. This is just a dummy presentation. And when I finish it, I can close the PowerPoint. Okay, now let's say that we can end the live event, and going here I can click on the end event. And now I show you that this video is saved in Microsoft Stream and will be available on demand. Okay, so here we have a question if you want to trim the video or not. No, it's fine. So, but you can adjust the video, you can cut something that is not necessary if you want. Okay, now it's ended. So theoretically, if I go in videos, we should see this. Here we go. This is the video is ready. What we can do now in post-production, so we can add to watch list, we can add to group channel, we can edit some video details. Going here, I can change the thumbnail here. I can change the description or the image. Now going, I can share this video, which is really changing again perspective. Let me copy this URL, going on this other perspective. So the user now can watch again this video. And additionally, there will be the option to see transcripts here. This take a while before it's ready and prepared, but then this is another useful feature that the user can read also the transcripts. Hopefully, refreshing the page, we should see the transcript also. And yes, the thumbnail here. Yes. Here we go. We have also transcript available for this video. I have some analytics here. I can see how many views are this video, how many likes, and here I can also like this video. I can share to other colleagues, and that's it. Alright, that was a quick tutorial how to create a live event in Microsoft Stream. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned with my next videos. If you want to see me cover any other topics in the future, put a comment down below, I read them all, and this is also how I build my to-do list for the next videos. Okay, I hope to see you next time. Bye.